Hello and welcome to my studio. My name is Derek. I'm a professional stained glass artist, and today I've got some really exciting news to share with you. I'm putting together a brand new online course all about making stained glass. It's called Stained Glass Making 101, and it's designed for everyone who is excited about learning to make stained glass windows. Perhaps you've made a few stained glass windows before, or you're brand new to it. This online course is designed for you. It will take you through every aspect of stained glass making, from all the tools and equipment that you'll need, how to design stained glass, how to scale it up full size, how to choose the right colors, the different types of glasses, the different types of lead, the whole making process of how you actually make a traditional stained glass window, how you weatherproof it, everything that you need to make stained glass windows for yourself, for your family and friends, or if you want to start a business. This is a great resource for you. I'm in the process of making it now, but there's a link below this video which you're very welcome to click on, and you get a free essential guide to stained glass making tools as a gift to you. The course is coming soon. I'll give you more information, but click on that link before if you're interested and get your free essential guide to stained glass making, and I'll tell you more about this exciting additional course coming soon. Thanks again. Bye for now.